What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Brad from Flip Market. Just letting you guys know we just touched down out here in Union, South Carolina. We got 2 rentals here, okay? Now this property right here is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, okay? This property will be for rent only. And just to give you guys some context of what you need to be able to get inside of these properties, you got to make 2.5 times the rental income. We do not allow any cats. We do accept dogs, 40 pounds or under. If you're looking to be able to get into this property, all you have to do is call 864-803-3153 and book a tour. After you book a tour, you'll send your ID or your passport. Once you send your ID or passport, and it's the day of your booking or the time of your booking, you'll come to the property and we'll provide the lockbox codes. After we provide the lockbox codes, you'll be able to come in and do a personal tour here. After you do the personal tour, if you give it a thumbs up, you love it, you love it, you love it, you ready to go, you want to move in as soon as possible, the next step is we will get your email, phone number, and first and last name. And what we'll do is we'll send that to the property management. After the property manager receives that information, they will email you the application link, the official application link. It will take 24 to 48 hours for them to be able to get you that link, depending on how busy we are. We do have a lot of people trying to fill out these applications, so we can get backed up, and I wanted to give you that disclaimer right now. So after 24 hours to 48 hours, you will receive that application. What you need to do is get that done immediately. After you get the application done immediately, the next step is making sure that you pay for the application fee, which is $30, and the tenant screening, which is $30. After you receive that approval with the property management that your application is ready to roll, you're approved, you're good to go, you can now get ready to spend some money and put the deposit down. The deposit will need to be in a money order, okay? You can drop that off at our property management office in Greenville, South Carolina, okay? Once you drop that deposit off at the expert property management office, we will take the property off the market and it is now yours. For you to be able to move in, you will have to pay that first month's rent, okay? After you pay that first month rent, you can go ahead and call the movers and your friends and family and tell them, hey, I need your help. I need you to come on in and help me move. All right, guys, we're here at 122 Bird Street in Union, South Carolina. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. This property is for rent. And if you want to get some more information on this property, just call 864-803-3153. We have lot 5 and lot 6 here at this property. So if you want to book a tour, just call my number 864-803-3153. And if you're at work or a little too busy to call, you can simply text and we can still book you a tour. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour and have a good day.